Connecting Microsoft Outlook with SharePoint can be performed by the end user, or connections can be managed and published centrally for an enterprise deployment. So let's take a look at how the end user can add a connection. After installing OnePlace solutions and restarting Outlook, you will see a OnePlace Mail tab. Select the Favorites button and choose Click to add SharePoint connections. This allows you to connect either a SharePoint site collection or a specific site. Either type your SharePoint URL or copy and paste the SharePoint location from your web browser. On selecting Test or OK, the URL will be resolved back to the site collection or site. You are now connected to SharePoint and ready to save content or add specific SharePoint locations as favorites. Let's add a few favorite SharePoint locations to make it even easier to save and access SharePoint content. Selecting one of your SharePoint connections allows you to navigate through a security trimmed tree of SharePoint, where you can add locations such as libraries, lists, folders, document sets, or even sites. Once added, you can rename the locations to display as you prefer within Outlook and adjust other settings to control the save process to meet your requirements. If you have a lot of favorite locations, adding category folders may make it easier to logically group your favorites. On selecting OK, the favorite locations are made available on the left navigation of Outlook. They are also available from the Microsoft Office applications, Adobe Acrobat, and also from the OnePlace Docs Explorer window. Now you're set to start saving emails and attachments, or you can select your favorite locations on the left navigation to access SharePoint from Outlook. For an enterprise deployment, you can essentially publish one or more locations such as sites, libraries, lists, folders, and document sets using OnePlace Live solution profiles. You're now set to start using OnePlace Mail and OnePlace Docs.